Acrisyl Decora is an exterior wall covering enriched with sparkling crystals that give the finish a typical granite and natural stone look, characterized by minuscule points of superficial light. A stainless steel trowel must be used to obtain the characteristic opaque reflective effect. Acrisyl Decora is applied in 2 coats, one for the preparation of the base and one for the finish. The product is ready to use. The spreading rate is approximately 1 to 1.2 kilograms per meter squared per coat. Level the base to obtain a homogeneous layer in order to cover the uneven areas and make the substrate uniform. When dry, apply the second coat. Before the product is totally dry, smooth it with a hand float to make the surface more compact, thus highlighting the typical sparkling crystals.